Good evening, audience. Welcome back to another episode of We's Love the Language. Please press the bell icon to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. In the portions I have covered so far, anyway, if you come across any doubt, if you felt that something is to be explained elaborately, or if you feel, if you stumble upon any doubt, please mention it in the comment box. I will get back to you with clarification. I am saying this why again and again. I am getting very less number of comments. This comment is one thing which I mentioned last time also, which encourages me, which drives me forward. And one more thing, why I am looking forward to the comments, because whatever I am presenting in front of you, it's not script based. I have not prepared any script for my presentation. I just refer the portion, go through that once or twice or thrice, and then deliver it in front of you. So there is a possibility of human error, which can happen with anyone. So unless you get back to me with your comments, how do I know that? There is no method, there is no way I can get to know such comments unless I go through my own YouTube, my own presentation a couple of times. But it's always better. It enthralls me when I get the comments from my audience. So I just wanted to tell you that today we are at the last portion of linking verb. Linking verb being, becomes, appears, feels. These are the last 4 linking verbs left over. We will finish it off today in one go. Being, becomes, appears, feels. Being is always used after is or am was verb. That is or am was verb are the forms of to be. Okay, that we explained lot many times in the past. Is, are, am, was, were. This being is always used after is, are, am, was, were. And it is never used, being is never used after has, had, will have, and having. Has, had, will have, having. These are the forms of to have. To have. Has, had, will have, having are the forms of to have, and the being will never come with these forms. Conversely. And conversely, being always comes after the forms of to be. What are the forms of to be? There are 5 forms: is, are, am, was, were. Now let us take some examples. Being, okay. he is being asked to finish his work. He is being asked to finish his work before EOD. EOD means end of the day. That means before the working hour finishes. He is being asked to finish his work before EOD. Another example. My friend was, see, is present, was is past. There is nothing wrong. My friend was being subjected. My friend was being subjected to harsh treatment. My friend was being subjected to harsh treatment. That means my friend was given a raw deal, a rough deal. Okay. Another sentence. Okay. We are all being categorized. That means we are categorized into many groups based on certain criteria, not necessarily based on certain criteria, just like that. We are all being categorized. Fine. Next, becomes. Next, becomes. It becomes very difficult. It becomes very difficult if you do not cooperate. It becomes very difficult if you do not cooperate. Cooperation is very much necessary. So one person is pointing out to his friend or to his colleague that it becomes very difficult if you do not cooperate. Fine. Another example. It is easier when the rule becomes slightly flexible. Rules are to be followed, we all know that, but still, if the rules are not very stringent or not very tough, if the rules are slightly flexible, then it is easier. Okay, next is appears. That's the last but one among linking verbs. Example, appears. It appears it appears that she is not very happy with her transfer. It appears that she is not very happy with her transfer. Probably an untimely transfer. She was not expecting it. Probably when she wanted it, she didn't get it. Whatever may be the reason, whatever may be the background. Sentence formation. It appears that she is not very happy with her transfer. Next is fees. My boss feels that her fine. My boss is a female. Her secretary is not attentive. Very simple sentence formation using these linking verbs. My boss feels that her secretary is not attentive. Maybe my boss, when dictates something, her secretary is not attentive. Reportedly, it's not sure. It's only felt. My boss is just feeling it. Feels means it's not necessary that it is true. May not be genuine sometimes. My boss feels that her secretary is not attentive. So here we come to the end of linking verb. Next is the third part and the last part of verb, that is helping verb, or in other words we call it auxiliary verbs. It is slightly lengthier, probably just I think 22, no, it's 23. There are 23 auxiliary verbs. We will switch on to the auxiliary verbs or helping verbs next week. Same day, same time. Till then, it's bye from Abhay. Good night and take care.